Students, welcome to s.mathguru classes. So we start partial differential equation non-linear in P and Q. Partial differential equations non-linear in P and Q. So answer given, cost problem given in terms of P and Q. Only P and Q will be given. So type 1, there are different types we have. Type 1, equation of the type f of p comma q equal to 0. That is the equation containing p and q only. So in this equation only p and q we have. Method how to solve this? Let the required solution be z equal to ax plus by plus c. If we differentiate with respect to x, del z del x means p we know. This is a and this will be 0, this is 0, this is 1, only a. And q means del z del y, so this will be b. This is 0, this is b into 1, 0, b. We putting this value, on putting these values in pq, in this equation we putting the values of a and b. So answer we get, a problem we get, originally given pq, in terms of pq we get a comma b. So in terms of ab we get. From this we find the value of b. From this find the value of b in terms of a. b equal to, in terms of you have to find, and substitute the value of b in equation 1, this equation. So b equal to, we get a something, so putting here and we get the required equation. That will be the required solution. This is the rule. First given in terms of pq, we consider this is the solution and find p and q here, and replacing pq from by using this we get this, and in terms of b equal to, in terms of a we express, and putting the value of b here we get the required solution. So we solve in this way. These are very easy, nothing, very simple. Let's consider one problem. Solve p square plus q square equal to 1. So what we get? The problem we have only p and q. So this is non-linear partial differential equation. Now solution, let the required solution be z equal to ax plus by plus c. This is the required solution. We consider this. Number 1. We differentiate both sides with respect to x. With respect to x, ax plus by plus c. This is our p. This is a into 1 plus 0 plus 0. And p equal to, we get a. Again we differentiate equation number 1 with respect to y partially, del y ax plus by plus c, and this will be 0, this is b into 1 plus 0, and this is b, this will be q we get. So del z del y means q. Now putting the values of a and b in equation number 1, this equation. Now p square plus q square equal to 1, we get the value of p is a square, and q is b square equal to 1. This implies b square equal to 1 minus a square, and b equal to root over 1 minus a square. We get this, and putting the value of b in equation number 1. Now 1 implies z equal to ax plus by. b means root over 1 minus a square y plus c, and this is the required solution of the given problem. Very easy solution. Another problem, solve PQ equal to 1. This is also non-linear partial differential equation. Let the required solution be z equal to ax plus by plus c. We consider this is the required solution. Del z del x del x ax plus by plus c. This is p and this is a into 1 plus 0 plus 0. This implies p equal to we get a. Again we differentiate partially with respect to y. This one. Del z del y ax plus by plus c. And this equal to q. Del z del y means q. This is 0. This is b into 1 plus 0. Del y 1, this is 0, this one 0. So we get q equal to b. We get this. But since pq equal to 1 given, this was given problem. So we replacing p putting ab because we get p means a, q means b. We get this. And b equal to 1 by a. B equal to 1 by a. This value b putting in the given solution, we get the required solution. This is number 1. Now 1 implies z equal to ax plus by, 1 by ay plus c. This is the required solution of the given problem. Very easy solution. So another problem consider solve root p plus root q equal to 1. This is also non-linear partial differential equation. Now solution, let the required solution be z equal to ax plus by plus c. This is number 1. Del z del x del x ax plus by plus c. This is a into 1 plus 0 plus 0. This equal to a and this is our p. Del z del x means p. Again you differentiate with respect to y. Del z del y. Del y ax plus by plus c. This is q. This is 0 because we differential partially with respect to y. And this is b into 1 plus 0 and this equal to b. We get this. But since our given equation is root p plus root q, this equal to 1 given, and this will be root a plus root b equal to 1 because replacing p and q putting a and b. P means a, q means b. We replacing these two. And this implies root b equal to 1 minus root a. And if we squaring both sides, then this will be 1 minus root a whole square. If we squaring both sides, root will be cancelled, we get this. And putting the value of b in equation number 1. Now 1 implies z equal to ax plus b, this y plus c, and this is our answer. Just putting the value of b, b means we get 1 minus root a whole square, this y. This is the final answer. Very easy solution. We consider another problem. Solve p plus q equal to 0. This is also non-linear partial differential equation because in terms of PQ given. So solution, let the required solution be z equal to ax plus by plus c. This number 1 we consider. Del z, del x, this is del x, ax plus by plus c. This is p, this is a into 1 plus 0 plus 0. This implies p equal to a. We get this one. Now we differentiate with respect to y. Del y ax plus by plus c. This equal to q, this is 0, b into 1 plus 0 because we differentiate partially with respect to y, x is constant. So this implies q equal to b. We get this one. But since our given equation is pq plus p plus q equal to 0. So p means a, q means b, this is a, this is b equal to 0. This implies this a taking on right hand side and from this taking b common. This a taking right hand side, this is minus a, and from this to b common, that means a plus 1 we get. This implies b equal to minus a by a plus 1. We get this. And putting the value of b, equation number 1, now 1 implies z equal to ax plus by. B means a by a plus 1 y plus c. And this is the required solution of the given problem. Very easy solution, very interesting also. Consider another problem. This is very easy. This is homework. You have to try yourself. Solve p square minus q square equal to 1 and answer given z equal to ax plus root over a square minus 1 y plus c. So these are very easy solution, very simple, very interesting, very important also for BTech course. Any engineering courses, these are very easy and important. So I hope you are all enjoying with me. If you are all enjoying, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon.